Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is beetroot with balsamic and honey glaze. I'm quite sad making this video because not many people will see it and even less people will try this recipe. And it's a shame because it deserves better. I mean, it's so easy you don't have any excuse not to try it. Even my wife thought it was tasty. And when it comes to food, she's about as easy to please as an Old Testament prophet. First, let's cook the beetroot. Simply put the beetroot in a pot of salted water, bring up to the boil and simmer until it's easily skewered with a knife. How hard can that be? Then remove from the heat and allow to cool. When the beetroot is cold enough to handle, simply peel and cut into nice sized chunks. And remember, if you don't want your hands to get messy, get your wife to do it. Then the beetroot's ready for the glazed part. And to do this, simply in a suitably sized pan, add the oil, sesame oil, balsamic vinegar, honey and soy sauce and bring up the temperature. When it's nice and hot, add in the beetroot and stir around well. And simply continue to cook until most of the liquid's evaporated and a nice anxious sauce coats the beetroot. And then it's ready to serve. And you can serve this hot or cold. Just remember to put the sprinkle and the sesame seeds over the top for a garnish. And that's a dish of beetroot with balsamic and honey glaze. Really tasty. Why not give it a go? Do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.